guys, today I have the March Allure beauty box for you guys. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys right now. I'm so excited. And as always, they have these little magazines in it, which I really enjoy because I feel like they really go through the product, what it's for, etc, etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in. And I've been seeing that the Allure beauty boxes, they all have been coming in these little bags. To be honest, I used to love getting these bags, but lately I just feel so overwhelmed because I had gotten Ipsy for so long and Sephora Play, and it's just like, sometimes I wish I could just open the box and it would be like Boxycharm where everything's just in there, no bag. No, is it just me? Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this baby open and see what's in my little clutch. There is something outside of it, and it is this right here, and this is the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick, and this is by Au Natural, and this is in the shade Grapefruit. So this looks like a full-size product. I pay $15 for this subscription, which I feel is really good based on the stuff that I've gotten so far. Okay, I'm a little disappointed that it's called grapefruit and it doesn't smell like grapefruit. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. It's like a really beautiful peach color. So I think you could kind of like use this for the lips. Maybe even, yeah, you'd probably be able to use it like for the cheeks. It's one of those like multi-stick. It kind of reminds me of the, what's it called? I think it's Josie Moran has like something similar to this. So this can be used anywhere. Cheeks, lips, eyes. It's supposed to give you just like a hint of color. It's cruelty free and just supposed to give you like a touch of color anywhere you need. So I don't know if they have like any kind of how much things are worth. Oh, okay. So this is worth $35. Wow, I've never heard of this brand and I've never used anything, so we will definitely see how it goes. Next thing in here is the Mamad Rose Water Toner. Last time I got a cleanser and I have yet to use it. So this is Rose Water Toner. I'm all about rose smelling stuff. I really like the smell of it. If you don't like the smell of rose, obviously you probably won't like this. This is the strength of beauty can be discovered in flowers. So this is soothing and moisturizing, and it's a 0.84 fluid ounce. And okay, it says $23 here, but I don't know if they mean like the full size. I'm probably thinking, yeah, I'm probably thinking that they're talking about the full size is probably, you know, $23, but it is supposed to be like a hydrating toner, so definitely we'll try that out. Next thing in here is this is called the Allure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil, and it has blue tansy and rose. It's 100% vegan, it's mineral oil free, it's free of like almost everything under the sun on here, and it has, wow, it has a ton of oils in here: rosemary, castor, jojoba, almond, rose, grape, blue tansy, jarrow, jasmine, vitamin E, and it's supposed to it says to refresh thirsty skin. So I'm thinking it's like really hydrating, and it says to put 1 to 2 pumps. So let's see what this looks like. And it doesn't have a dropper or anything in it. It's just, I don't know, this packaging is weird because it doesn't have the name of them, anything on here. And it's actually a roller ball, which is kind of weird for skincare. It smells really nice. It just has like, kind of like an essential oil kind of smell to it. And it seems super hydrating. It just seems kind of weird. It almost feels like it's a perfume or something, but I guess that they don't have a dropper. I don't know. I would have preferred a dropper over this little roller ball, but I guess it just is what it is. I'm going to definitely test this out. And this is actually $12.99, so for 1 fluid ounce. And the regular bottle, it actually has a pump, so I would have preferred that. And here it says that it has 10 hydrating oils, so it's supposed to be super hydrating. So definitely we'll try that out, especially because my skin loves absorbing things that are hydrating for it. Next thing in here is the Aren Overnight Recovery Balm, and this is It says at night melt balm with fingertips and massage onto clean dry skin. So this is just something that seems like super hydrating. I have tried some of the stuff from Ren and really liked it. It says that natural oils. Okay, so it just says that it helps the skin look like if you have uneven and ashy skin, this will definitely help you and just really hydrate overnight. Next thing in here is, oh, this is a really nice size. This is by Derma E. I always hear people talking about Derma E on Instagram. Oh, this smells so good. It smells so good. This is a microdermabrasion scrub, and it just says to scrub for 1 minute on your skin. This smells amazing, and this is a really nice size for this. The full size of this is $32.50, and it's with salt and grapeseed oil, and it just says that it helps like really, you know, obviously scrub your skin. Next thing in here is the, what is this? This is the Bioessence Squalene Peptide Gel, and this is supposed to help reduce puffiness and dark circles. This is an eye gel actually, so hopefully it will help, because I don't know if y'all can tell, but mama is tired. Thankfully, we are sleep training my son. I am going to do a video on it for my mommy videos, for anyone who's out there looking for a more gentler approach to sleep training. So I really like this packaging. I like that it's in a pump. Definitely will try this out. I have yet to try anything from Bioessence. I want to say Bioessence, but I know it's not Bioessence. It's Bioscience, I want to say. I have yet to try anything from them, but it says it's plant derived. So let's see how good that is. And last thing in here is the Vichy. I have seen this at some of my Walgreens, but I've never tested anything. It's Vichy Mineral 89 Booster Quotitin. Oh God, I'm just not even gonna try that. What? Oh, because I'm trying to read it in a different language. That's smart. Mineral 89 Skin Fortifier Daily Booster. This is a mineralizing water and hyaluronic acid. Definitely will just incorporate this in. I love trying skincare. This is a really nice size to try it out, and I do like the fact that this is available at Walgreens. I have seen that it's pretty pricey, but I've yet to try anything from there or try to pick anything up because of the fact that it's so expensive. And then obviously I didn't want to go in, you know, blindly. So that one is worth $29.50, and it's supposed to be like 89% mineral water, which is why it's called 89. So that is everything that is in my bag. I don't see anything else. There are certain other things on here that seem to have come depending on which bag you got. So I don't know if I'm missing stuff or I don't know if I'm missing stuff, because I didn't get the rose oil, I didn't get the Belief cream, and I didn't get the smoothing balm. So I don't know if I was supposed to get everything or not, because I'm so used to, okay, it says it down here that either you're gonna get the peptide eye gel or the rose oil. So you can get the rose oil or the gel, and then down here it says you could get either the Ren or the Belief Truth Balm or the Vichy or the smoothing balm from Amika. Okay, so my box is not duping me. I got enough products that I was supposed to. I really like these Allure boxes. I feel like they come with a nice variety of products, skincare, makeup, and so far I've really been liking the size. For $15 at least, one of them has at least been full size, so that is really nice. That at least is like my money's worth in one thing, and then the rest of the things are really nice to try out as well. So far I have been liking these. Like I said in the previous video that I did of this, I did have some issues with customer service at the beginning, but thankfully everything's chill now. So let me know what you guys think of this month's box. Are you guys signing up for Allure Beauty Box? I just re-signed up for Ipsy, and I have to we'll be doing Ipsy unbaggings, and I am on the wait list for the Ipsy Plus. So as soon as I get that, I will start doing those videos as well. If there's any other recommendations of unboxings that you guys want to see, leave them down below. I do see that these are the main focus of my channel that a lot of you guys like to watch. So that's what I'm trying to target, are more the things that you guys like to watch and that I want to do as well. So this just is kind of like a win-win for me. So yeah, let me know your opinion down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribe. Follow me on Instagram or my social media down below. Love you guys, and until the next one. Bye guys.